Did you know that over 50% of people are currently exploring ways to earn money without stepping out of their home? If you're one of them, you're in for a treat, because today we're unlocking the 10 best methods to transform your living space into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Make sure you stick around to the ninth method, as this may prove to be the most profitable. First up, freelancing. This is all about offering your skills on a project basis. From writing to graphic design, web development, and more, there's a demand for it all. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are where you begin. The key to success? A killer profile, understanding your client's needs, and always delivering quality work on time. Next, let's talk about online surveys and reviews. It's not a goldmine, but it's certainly a way to earn some extra cash. Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Mechanical Turk by Amazon are good starting points. Avoid scams by sticking to reputable sites and sign up for multiple platforms to boost your earnings. Moving on to content creation. This world is vast, from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to blogging. And yes, content creation can be quite lucrative. Through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. But remember, it's about consistency and offering value to your audience. E-commerce and dropshipping are next. Whether it's launching your online store or selling on Etsy, these options are exciting. With dropshipping, you sell products without holding inventory. Shopify and AliExpress can help you get started. Success comes from picking the right niche and marketing smartly. Teaching or tutoring online. Share your knowledge, whether it's English, math, or language lessons. Platforms like VIPKid and Skillshare are fantastic places to build your reputation. Focus on your niche and collect those glowing reviews. Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn commission by promoting other people's products. It's simple. Share a product you love, and every time someone makes a purchase through your referral, you earn a piece of the pie. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction. The secret sauce is to choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Remember, authenticity breeds trust and boosts sales. Up next, virtual assistant services. As businesses grow, so does their workload. That's where you come in. A virtual assistant helps with emails, scheduling, social media management, and more, all from your home. Platforms like Zirtual or Upwork are great places to start. The key to success is to be organized, proactive, and have excellent communication skills. This is a field with vast opportunities and flexibility. Feeling a bit adventurous? Let's talk about investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. It's a way to put your money to work while you focus on other tasks. You don't need a fortune to start. Apps like Robinhood or Coinbase allow beginners to invest small amounts. However, remember, with high potential returns come high risks. Educate yourself and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Another fantastic way to generate income is by creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, courses, or even software. The beauty of digital products is you create them once and sell them repeatedly without replenishing inventory. Use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to host and sell your products. Focus on quality and solve real problems for your audience. Last but not least, remote customer service. Many companies are outsourcing their customer support to people working from home. With basic equipment like a computer and headset, you can assist customers from anywhere. Check out companies like LiveOps or We Work Remotely for openings. Patience, empathy, and strong communication skills are your best tools here. There you have it, 10 powerful ways to make money from the comfort of your home. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, teaching, or dive into the realms of affiliate marketing and digital product sales, the key is to start somewhere. And who knows, what starts as a side hustle may turn into your full-time career. Remember, the journey to success begins with a single step. If you found this video helpful, kindly give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And switch on the notification bell to receive alert when we drop new content.